the major factor. Because of that, companies are going for the business transformation. Along with the efficiency, I would like to add one more word, that is effectiveness. So efficiency and effectiveness, these are very important part of any business. Let me share the model now. What exactly business transformation model, and we are going to touch upon every step, and we'll get into the detail of this model. The first step is like top management's commitment. If you ask me, the first step is the like top management commitment. What is top management commitment? I'm coming to it when we'll talk about the this step. The second step is creating transformation roadmap. If you do not have roadmap of the transformation, forget about the result. Third step, people. When I talk people, there are four things came into the picture: belief, behavior, habit, and culture. So that is the fourth thing. Then comes process. When I talk about process, if you see, I am having supplier and I am having customer, and I am having two type of flow into the company. What is that? Like, what are these flows? Customer is giving me the order. That means information is coming from the customer and it is going into the company, and it like planning and then production, and then it will go to the supplier, because as per the customer requirement, I will be buying the product from the supplier. So that is the data and information. It would coming from the top to bottom, that is customer to supplier. And the another flow would be flowing from the bottom to top, that is the material or documents, which will be flowing from, like, supplier is supplying me the material, or into the service industry, like I'm getting certain documents or detailing, and then I'm transferring it to the next department, and ultimately it is reaching to my customer. So there are information flow and material flow. If you do not have synchronization of information flow and material flow, then you cannot have the third flow, and that is the cash flow. Friends, that is the cash flow. So if you are having issues with your efficiencies or your cash flow, you need to look at here. This is very important processes, right? And performance. When we talk about performance, we are having various department, various activities which we are doing into the company, like flow of the information, machines. We are having various machines. When I'm saying machines, your computers, your laptops, that is also printers, that is also part of machines, the bigger machines, small machines, all the equipments which are through which you are actually producing your service or your product, which are part of machine. Then comes quality, your services. Quality is like you need to have a proper, like, zero defect into the process. Services, when I talk about the services, all kind of exchanges, all kind of interaction you are having with your internal customer and external customer. HR, that is very important, how you are driving your people. And then important is IT and IoTs, like how you have integrated automation and IoTs, like Internet on Things, with your various functions. So that is also part of performance, right? Then comes productivity. And when I'm saying productivity, it's like improving the productivity from the people, improving the productivity of your department, improving the productivity of your supplier, and all your resources on which you are working. So that is the another step. These are the 3, 4, 5, 6, and step 7. That is the promotion. How you are actually promoting, how you are marketing your product. When we are saying business excellence or operational excellence, it will go into this. But when we are saying business transformation, it starts from the chairman to chaprasi, the person who is working on the floor. It also includes your salespeople. It also includes your HR, your products